Guys,
Okay.
we're back.
So we're back.
We're back. Yeah.
So now we cut a whole bunch out of the kinetic sand, and then I went and got this lovely little thing and put it in here. Now it's shaped like a cone.
So, we're gonna put this cup right there.
Go ahead, smush it.
Isn't that satisfying, guys? Now we're
Look
gonna
at
play
that.
with it. We're gonna play with it for a little.
If you've never played with kinetic sand, it's very satisfying to play with.
We mix the colors
We
So
mix
blue and, like,
blue
tan.
with sand color,
with tan.
and you should feel it. It's ice cold from being in the freezer, and it just feels so cool. You almost want to eat it. It looks so neat. And this has been our video with Grammy and Ken playing with kinetic sand. Bye, guys.
Bye. Have a great time.
See you later.
See you later.